Hi everyone and welcome to my cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and easy dry squids masala. To get started, we'll need the following ingredients. 150 grams dry squids soaked in water for an hour, 1 small cube of butter, 5 garlic cloves, 1 small green chili, 1 onion, half a capsicum, some cabbage, 3 spoons of soya sauce, a pinch of red chili powder, a glass of water and salt to taste. Once we have all our ingredients, we are ready to start cooking. Heat a pan, add the butter, and when it sizzles, add the garlic, and green chili. When the garlic smells good, add onion. Add capsicum. Add cabbage. Pour in the soya sauce for flavor. And a pinch of red chili powder. Now add the soaked dry squids. Mix them well. Pour in a glass of water and stir. Add salt to taste. Turn up the heat to high and cook for 20 to 30 minutes or until the squids are dry and the sauce has thickened. If you're looking for a healthy and delicious way to cook squid, then this dry squid masala recipe is perfect for you. It's low in calories and fat and is packed with nutrients. Once the squids are cooked, remove the pan from the heat and garnish with fresh coriander leaves. And that's it. Your dry squids masala is now ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious and easy recipes. Happy cooking!